Chinese growth is fantastic. With that, also the spend in healthcare is growing faster, and so there is a broader population in China who can benefit from these products. So I think we have done a lot of efforts recently when it comes to clinical nutrition. We have now decided to centralize everything here in Nanjing because it's much more competitive. China is a very competitive country when it comes to manufacturing, but also when it comes to R&Ds. I think it's good. I think it's positive. As I said, there is growth. We hear also from our customers good feedback. The market is strong, the market is growing. We see additional opportunities to drive our business here in the Chinese market. The capabilities are increasing, especially when it comes to manufacturing automation. I think the team has learned a lot, and we also see that Chinese suppliers are improving when it comes to CapEx, for instance, to automation, to visual inspection and topics like that. And this is, of course, also very important for the plant. And I think we are growing here in China, usually lower double digit, and we see that should continue the trend.